More smoke, please. Let's go. Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Rockville R700 fog smoke machine. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through all of the features as well as what's included. You can see it from the other side right here. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature right here with the QR code to watch a video before you use the unit. Next, you can see we have our warranty card with information we can fill out for our 1-year warranty, followed by our user guide and manual right here, walking us through all the included contents, how to set up, mount, and clean the unit, and additional precautions on the back. Next, you can see we have our mounting bracket right here, as well as our mounting hardware, and we have our remote control. Next, we have the unit with fluid version. So you can see we have 17 fluid ounces right here of our premium fog machine fluid. This is water-based. Next, we have our power cord and cable, followed by our hardwired remote control. And lastly, you can see we have the unit itself right here, the Rockville R700. This is where we're going to add our fluid. We have a caution and a warning label right here. Hot temperature, do not touch. You can see it from the other side. Here it is from the back side with our on and off switch, our manual controller, and our power option right there. You can see it from the bottom. Here it is from the front side. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything set up. So we got our unit all set up and ready to go. Everything was really easy to install. So for the handle, you're gonna put the washer in first, then the metal piece, then your threaded screw that you're just gonna finger tighten in place. So it goes washer, then our metal handle, then our screw. Same with the other side. We have our cords connected on the back right here. So we have our manual controller and our power cable. You also may notice we have an indicator letting us know the level of the fluid in the unit, which is great. And our manual controller is actually magnetized, so they have a magnet on the back that we can just stick in place right there. Really cool. So wherever you want to store that has metal, you can do that with ease. And we also have our remote control. We can use the unlock and lock button. So once it's ready to go, we can just press the unlock button and it will run for 30 seconds. Then it'll take a break. Then we can press it again and do 30 more seconds. If we don't want it to run that long, we can just press the lock button to stop it sooner. And we do have a retractable antenna. Now let's go ahead, let's get our fluid installed. So we got our fluid filled up right there. You can see on our container for our fluid, we used about 75% of it to fill up the tank. So we'll get a little bit more than one full tank out of 17 ounces. Now the only thing we have left to do is power it on and let it heat up. It took less than 2 minutes to heat up. Let's go ahead, let's press the button here and let's get some smoke coming out. So check that out. Look at it blowing a ton of smoke, and watch what happens. Eventually the light will go off and it's gonna have to reheat before we can get more smoke out. But as soon as we want to release the button too, it'll stop smoking. And then we can press the button again. We can also try the remote control. Let's try the remote control and see what happens. So we're just pressing the remote control. Oh, maybe? Well, now the light went off, so it looks like it's gonna have to reheat a little bit here. But once it lights back up, let's go ahead, let's try the remote. All right, the light's back on. Let's press the remote. Check it out, it's gonna run for 30 seconds. If we wanted to cut it off earlier, we just go ahead, we press the lock button. You can see super responsive. So that's really nice. You have a nice handy remote. Or we can use manual control and just hold it down as long as we want smoke to come out. That's fun. More smoke, please. Let's go.